Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. My name is Sean. This is UCM Pigs, and today I got another product for you. Now, this is not a paid promotion. I actually went out and bought this product because I needed it. But before we get started, let me remind you to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always on my channel, if you don't feel like typing words, just leave me an emoji. Let me know you're here. I would greatly appreciate it. So, I've done some reviews on gloves in the past on my channel, and I'm not knocking any of the gloves that I've previously reviewed, but I had a need. I needed a new set of fall, winter, warmer gloves for the cooler months ahead. I had a pair of goat skin leather gloves that were pretty nice, and I've seemed to misplace them, so I decided to take a different look at things and maybe go with a little better quality product. If you've been watching the channel, I've been putting a lot more focus on protective gear, and I've always worn gloves. Well, I haven't always worn gloves, and in my adult years, as I call them, I've become a big fan of wearing gloves. And the reason is, as humans, our instinct, if we fall, we put our hands out and we try to catch ourselves. So I started thinking about that on the bike, and if I can mitigate injury in a low-speed crash or a high-speed crash, I want to have my hands protected. So what I've been looking at here recently is a lot of my gear that I wear when I ride, and leaning more towards motorcycle-specific gear. You see a lot of people wearing different gloves when riding. They wear, the mechanics gloves. They wear just any old leather glove, and some protection is better than no protection, but as I age, I see the importance of a quality product, and I wanted a motorcycle specific glove. So I started doing some research, look at several companies online. A lot of factors were taken into consideration, and I decided to go with a company that you may know. A lot of people talk about them. They're actually known for their boots, for their riding boots, and that is Inie Ridge. Now, what brought me, or what sold me on the Inie Ridge gloves, my buddy Bry from the channel Bry the Biker, he recently put a post on IG. He has these exact same gloves, and he's had them for years. I can't remember how many years, but it's been a pretty long time. And he just posted that he needed to replace them because they are starting to wear out, but it's been several years, and how much he loves the gloves. So when I see someone that I trust make a comment like that, I take that into consideration, and I hope you would take my opinion into consideration, because I do a lot of reviews. I don't only review free stuff that's sent to me. Like I said, I purchased these. I will review anything that I think is worth reviewing, and so far I'm very impressed with these gloves. I've packaged them back up the way they arrived. I have worn them once, but I wanted you to see the detail they go into all the way down to the packaging. But if you also notice on my channel, the products I review, you see. If you watch my videos, my ride videos, whatever, you will see these products in the video, and that is a big thing when you are watching influencers talking about products. Do they actually use them? And I'm going to tell you, you're going to see these in future videos, because so far I really like them. So let's talk a little bit about my personal use scenarios with gloves. I have a pair of textile gloves. They're very thin, form-fitting, but they breathe, and they're very cool, and those are my summer gloves. I do not like bulky gloves. I like to be able to feel my controls on my bike. It just makes me feel a little more comfortable. But when the weather changes and things get cooler, my hands do get cold, so I know the importance of a good wind block. Wind block is everything, and the best product for that is leather on a motorcycle. So I typically wear a leather glove in the cooler months. Now, I don't like the bulky gauntlet style gloves. There is a use case for those. If you're the type of person that takes road trips in cold weather, a gauntlet style glove is what you want. I am a 360 rider, but I don't really take road trips in the winter. I'm pretty much commuting, a nice day, maybe get a nice day, take a short ride. I can get by with a half gauntlet glove with some good wind protection, a little bit of padding on the inside just to keep my hands comfortable. I can always drop a hand, and what I do is I drop a hand and stick it between the jugs, and that warms it up, and I take off. So let's get into these gloves. I'm going to talk about some of the aspects of the glove and some of the quality of this glove. We'll take a good look at it. We'll look at the packaging, and we'll close this video out. So don't have a coupon code, don't have any of that stuff. I'm just sharing with you a product that has so far really impressed me. So let's get these over on the bench and take a look at them. All right, so we've got the gloves down here on the bench, and you're gonna hear some nailing. I've had some construction being done on my house, and the guys out there working on it. Hopefully they'll be wrapping it up this weekend, but it might get a little noisy. So here's the packaging that I received. It just came in a standard, shipping envelope, and then it had this nice waterproof bag on the outside. We'll go ahead and unzip that and pull out this nice bag here with the Inie Ridge logo. Live free guarantee, which we're going to talk about here in a few minutes. You pull this out, and you've got a nice card congratulating you on your Inie Ridge gloves. You can get 10% off your next purchase by hitting that QR code. So a little thank you from Inie Ridge and a congrats. And then we'll pull this out, and your gloves are wrapped nicely in some tissue paper. So a lot of attention to detail here, which is very important. Get this out of the way. Now, these gloves are known as the Golden Gloves from Inie Ridge, and it's not just the color. There's a little more to that. Again, we'll talk about that in a minute. So the first thing you'll notice about these gloves is they are a nice full grain leather glove. You do have the touch screen pad on each index finger for manipulating your smartphones or your GPS if you ride a Harley or an Indian or a bike that has integrated GPS in it. The stitching is unbelievable. The detail in the stitching is very nice throughout the fingers, here on the gauntlet, everything. Let's see if we can see here. These are a product of Pakistan. However, Inie Ridge is an American company. But they just outsource their products. One thing that I do want to mention, like I said, this is a half gauntlet. They make this same glove in a full gauntlet. So if you prefer the full gauntlet, you can get the Golden Glove with a full gauntlet. So let's talk about the construction of these gloves. So on the inside, it is completely lined with a nice material, probably a polyester blend, which makes the glove nice and comfortable when you slide it on your hand. Now, going back to that Golden Gloves name, this glove actually has boxing style stitching on all the fingers. So it's boxing glove style stitching, which gives you minimal seams, which when you put your hand in, you don't feel a lot of seams around your finger, and it makes the glove a lot more comfortable. Hence the name Golden Glove, which that really impressed me. Now, when it comes to sizing this glove, on their website, they're going to give you some instructions for sizing the glove. I follow their instructions to the T, and the glove fits good. I ordered an extra large, which is about the standard for me in most gloves is an extra large. However, my hand is a little more wider across the knuckles than the length of my fingers. So they state that in their website. If you tend to have longer fingers, that needs to be the most important thing. If you tend to have a wider palm, that needs to be the most important thing. So you're going to take a measurement from the base of your middle finger to the tip, get that measurement, and then you're going to wrap like a tailor's, measuring tape, or take a piece of string and wrap it around and get the full diameter at your widest part of across your knuckles or whatever, and then put it on their chart, and that'll tell you which size you should get. I don't think there's a need to size up or size down. Like I said, I went to the T by their measurements, and the glove fits perfect for me. Just very little at the end of the fingers, which is expected. That's kind of a norm for me with gloves. But it's a very nice fitting glove. It does have some sort of a liner in it, so you can tell you're not just dealing with raw leather. On the knuckles, you have reinforced knuckles across here, hard shell knuckles, and then you have a medium grade padding in the palm, and the high spots on your thumb, so forth and so on, here on the side of your hand to help protect you, if you go down, to give you a little more added protection. Nice Velcro closure here around the gauntlet, and the Inie Ridge logo kind of stamped into it. So a very, very classy looking glove. So let's talk about Inie Ridge's warranties a little bit. So we talked about this live free warranty with Inie Ridge. Now, a lot of companies will give you a 30-day exchange or money back warranty. But what sets Inie Ridge apart from those companies? Inie Ridge expects you to use the gloves. A lot of companies say, yeah, you can return it within 30 days, but they have to be in the original packing and unused. Inie Ridge, the owner, Steve, even says it in his website. It's a very personal write-up on explaining the warranties. He expects you to try them. So if you get these and they don't fit, or you just don't like them, you simply contact them within 30 days, let them know, and they'll take the gloves back or exchange them for another pair. That's a pretty good peace of mind when you're purchasing, a product, especially a product that comes in. This pair of glove comes in right at $85. So again, premium glove. You are going to have a premium price. However, you get what you pay for, and these are a high quality motorcycle glove, specifically for motorcycles. Not a pair of mechanics gloves, not a pair of just regular old run-of-the-mill leather gloves off Amazon. They design these with motorcycle riding in mind. So I'm very pleased with the product so far. Like I said, they fit like a glove, and I like the fit, I like the feel. Of course, just like any other leather product, there will be a break-in period. So I'm anxious to get that over with. But again, I need cool days because my hands sweat, and maybe some sweat might help the break-in. I don't know. But I really like the gloves. I like the look out of them. If you watch my channel, you know I wear black a lot. So this kind of contrasts with black, and I think has a really nice look. Because, yeah, we want to be concerned about protection, but aesthetic is important too. So, yeah, the Inie Ridge Golden Gloves. Very impressed by these gloves. And like I said, I wish I had a coupon code to share with you. But I think you will not be disappointed if you're looking for a good pair of quality gloves. All right, so that is the Inie Ridge Golden Glove. Like I said, I'm super excited to have this product. I'm really looking forward to getting out and wearing them this winter. We'll do a follow-up and keep you updated over the next couple riding seasons. Watch the videos. You're going to see me wearing these gloves. So like I said, they advertise these as a 3-season glove, fall, spring, half of the summer, half of the winter. I probably could agree with that. The cooler days is when I'll keep these. They'll stay in my saddlebag, cool night, whatever it may be. Sometimes when you get out in the mountains, temperatures drop, and you want to have some good gloves to keep your hands nice and warm. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you this product, talk to you a little bit about it. So go over to Inie Ridge, check out their gloves, check out their boots. They have a lot of different styles of glove. If you don't like the Golden Glove, they have a lot of different styles of boots. Go check out their boots. So I hope you found this informative. And until we talk again, you guys be careful. You guys be safe. Always keep your shiny side up. And we'll talk to you next time.